Hello, hello, beautiful people, the beautiful people. I'm here. I'm working. My candle just keeps popping. So I'm like, let me see if there's a message that we all need to hear together today. Yes? Okay. What message do we all need to hear today? Ooh. Temptation, temptation. You monkey see, monkey do. You might be tempted to, yeah, you're thinking about it, all right. You might be tempted to do what others do. You feel tied down and obligated. Marta, Marta. Oh, damn, this is a little much, yes? This red snake here reminds me of a blood python. Now, a blood python, they're very aggressive and actually very defensive snakes. You have to tame them, dominate them, handle them cautiously. You have to handle them every day so they get used to you. And when they pack a punch, they pack a big punch. They're short bodied and they're thick, so when they go to grab, when they go to strike, they hit you a lot harder than some other snakes. Big things do come in small packages, right? And I see us, the collective, being the snake here, reaching up towards this forbidden fruit. Not forbidden. I think it's just something that everyone else says is out of reach, right? Reminds me of the Chinese apple. I think it's like a lucky omen. Chinese apple. Giving Shango his apples. But yeah, you're bearing it all here. We're bearing it all. I always film at the worst times. I'm so sorry. Oh, forget the need to conform. Maybe the snake is only aggressive and seen as dangerous because everybody deems it so, right? But it doesn't always have to be that way. I remember actually having a beautiful dream with a blood python, and it held me and caressed me, and it was so, so nice and sweet. So don't let everybody's experiences dictate yours. Don't be tied down to no monkey see, monkey do business. Think for yourself. And it may take a lot of undressing, a lot of shedding old skin. Oof, damn. It may take a lot of undressing and a lot of shedding old skin to get rid of these bad habits. But look at that sun shining behind her. If only she would turn around and not be caught looking at this ugly man. No, actually, she's looking down. We're almost there, you guys. Almost there. Hang on, hang on. Because we are being elevated, and it might be really uncomfortable to shed this old skin. But the sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow, come what may, tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you tomorrow. You're only a day away. Sit by yourself and contemplate about what it is you need to let go, what it is that you're holding on to, what it is you're trying to conform to, and tell yourself, no monkey see, no monkey do business. Okay. If any of you guys feeling kind of lucky, like playing numbers, number 19. Ooh. Almost the end of the road there. I'm not familiar much with numerology, but I know a 1 and a 9 has to equal a 10 somewhere. We're almost there towards the finish line, and I say we because we are all collective beings, and this is a general reading meant for you, meant for someone you know, meant for me. If it resonates with you, bless you, and I hope you heard what you needed to hear today. I'll let you guys get back to what you were doing. I'm gonna get back to what I'm doing. Until next time.